I'm just saying somebody, I don't know, and I'm not saying the word as it is, but what I'm trying to say is somebody once said, if you ask me to cut a tree in 6 hours, I will spend the first 4 hours to sharpen my axe. Chronos is the person that immediately think, I must cut this in 6 hours. So let me start by starting to cut. He will be using a blunt axe, using more force, using more strength, cutting a tree that is not going anywhere because your axe is useless. Now your chronos makes you to take the ladder and put it on the wrong wall just to find out when you are above, you have put the wrong wall, your ladder to the wrong wall.